Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Hasibul Alam Onik. Currently, I am studying Daffodil International University in BBA department. And there are 4 family members, and they are living Dhaka in Uttara. And my hometown name is Kishoreganj. It is one of the most famous district in my country. Daffodil International University 2002 year established in Dhaka, and currently the main campus is Daffodil Smart City. Almost 30,000 students studying this university. Lots of club facilities available in my university. Lots of department, for example CSC, BBA, textile, NSC established, and students day by day increase their facilities. On the other hand, our teachers, our colleagues, Daffodil Smart City staffs, every person help their students, because I think this university is student friendly university. The more fact is the campus is super big area, and I know this is one of the best private university in Bangladesh in the campus. Recently, the top ranking university in Bangladesh, Daffodil number 1. Thank you very much everyone.